Chicken walks. These again can be danced solo. This is the girl's steps. So she will do a back replace. Now she's going to lunge in, bend the left leg, sitting back, leaning back, pointing the right foot out. So she's leaning back. When she does this with a man, she's actually totally leaning back in a slide position, a diagonal body from the toe all the way back to her head, and it's the weight of the man that keeps her stable. Dancing it solo, you just will make her lean comfortable enough that you're not going to fall back. So she does point, down, and then 3 quick ones, 1, 2, 3. They do progress across the floor. So again, right foot back, back replace, point, replace, point, replace, quick, quick, quick. One more time. Back, replace, point, replace, quick, quick, quick. They are chicken walks. If doing it as a man, the man is just doing back, replace, back, 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 back. He doesn't point, he just pulls the girl along. The man would hold his left hand out straight, and the girl would hold his hand with her right hand, with her left arm up diagonally in the air, making a nice look. But today we're focusing on dancing steps solo. A nice simple step to put between steps, if you need thinking time what to do next, is your basic in place, which is just step, step, chassé 1, chassé 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's just thinking time if you need it as a beginner between your fancy steps. So as a girl, you would normally start with the right foot, in place, chassé 1, chassé 2. It's just so you don't have to make the back step if you have trouble with that, or if you just want to make basic in place. Link alternatives, girl hesitation, which is basically when a man does the flick and the girl waits. Then the ball change, chassé 1, chassé 2. So the man has an extra flick before making the back front. Flick, ball change, chassé 1, chassé 2. If doing it with a partner, the girl just waits while the man flicks, and she just does the back step, chassé 1, chassé 2, as normal. Of course, dancing solo, you can put your flicks in. Flick will change, chassé 1, chassé 2. Slow motion, flick it out, and then do your back front, chassé 1, chassé 2.